March, Canon decided to drop two different video style cameras, the PowerShot V and the Canon R50V. The PowerShot V was supposed to be Canon's flagship point-and-shoot camera. It was smaller, it was lighter, and with the kit lens, it cost less than the R50V. Canon hyped the PowerShot V as their next big thing in point-and-shoot video. A tiny, compact camera that you could toss into a bag and shoot anywhere you needed to. But I know some of you guys are asking, so what's the point in comparing it to the PowerShot V? These are two separate cameras. One's meant to just travel, while the other one would be great as a studio camera. Well, what I ended up doing is picking up this Canon 28mm 2.8, and this basically pancake-sized lens ended up turning my R50V into a point-and-shoot camera. I decided to take it along with me during my family vacation, and the image quality as well as the video quality that I got out of this camera was astounding. I first got to check out the R50V while we were in Boston. Unfortunately, I didn't take too much when it came to the video side of it, but it's a great example to show off the photos that I took out there. And these photos are taken straight out of the camera. I didn't make any adjustments to it. It's exactly what I was looking for. Point at something, take a photo, and just be amazed at what it can produce. After Boston, we decided to make our way to Philadelphia. And this place had a lot of iconic things that I was able to take video of. We had the Rocky statue as well as the Liberty Bell. But as you guys can see, when I was out here, I decided to keep the settings in a way where it would represent more of a point and shoot. So I had a log file loaded up, which is just my standard Canon LUT. And once again, I was out there using an ND filter just so that I could control the exposure. But from these videos, it actually turned out really good. The last state that we ended up visiting was New York. This one is kind of where I ended up pulling out all the stops. I took a decent amount of photos, at least just Instagram-worthy photos, and started recording in just regular log. As you guys can see from these bears, this is how it is ungraded, and this is how it is graded. It's amazing what you can do with this small camera. And on top of the constraints that I gave myself during this vacation, it definitely put in perspective why I wanted to choose this over the PowerShot V. And all this to say that in March, Canon released one of the best point and shoots that's not a point and shoot.